Did you know that 86% of businesses now use video as a marketing tool? Research shows that people retain 95% of a message when they watch it in a video compared to only 10% when reading it in text form. In fact, video content is 1,200% more likely to be shared than text and images combined. The demand for video content is at an all-time high, but traditional video production is expensive, time-consuming, and requires technical expertise. What if you could create high-quality professional videos without hiring actors, designers, or editors? That's where AI-generated explainer videos come in. These videos combine artificial intelligence with automation, allowing anyone to create professional animations, voiceovers, and engaging content in just a few minutes. What you'll learn in this guide. In this step-by-step guide, you'll learn everything you need to create stunning AI-generated explainer videos, including how AI makes video creation effortless, the best AI tools for scripting, voiceovers, animations, and editing, a detailed process for generating professional videos, tips to make your videos engaging and high-converting. By the end, you'll be able to produce high-quality videos effortlessly, whether for marketing, education, business, or personal branding. Understanding AI-generated explainer videos. What are AI-generated explainer videos? AI-generated explainer videos are short, engaging videos created without human intervention, using artificial intelligence tools. These videos use AI-powered scripting, voice synthesis, and animation tools to produce high-quality visuals and narration. Why are explainer videos so effective? Increases engagement. Videos attract more attention than text and static images. Boost conversions. Adding an explainer video to a landing page can increase conversions by up to 80%. Improves retention. People remember 95% of a message in video form compared to only 10% when reading text. Saves time and cost. Traditional video production costs thousands of dollars and takes weeks to complete. AI reduces production time from weeks to minutes. Who can benefit from AI-generated videos? Businesses, product promotions, corporate presentations, training videos. Content creators, YouTube, social media, educational content. Educators, e-learning courses, tutorials, training materials. Freelancers and marketers, ad creation, brand awareness, client presentations. Let's move on to the first and most crucial step, writing the perfect script using AI. Writing a high-quality script using AI. Choosing the right AI script writing tool. To generate a professional script, you can use AI-powered writing tools such as ChatGPT, conversational and engaging scripts, Copy.ai, marketing and explainer video scripts, Write Sonic, various tones and styles, Jasper AI, long-form and structured content. How to structure an effective script. A well-structured explainer video script follows this format. 1. Hook. Grab attention with a fact, question, or statement. Second problem statement. Identify a common issue your audience faces. 3. Solution. Introduce your product, service, or concept. 4. How it works. Explain the features or process step by step. 5. Call to action, CTA. Encourage the viewer to take action. Example, AI-generated script. Ever wondered why some businesses thrive while others struggle? The answer lies in communication. And the best way to communicate? Video! However, creating high-quality explainer videos can be time-consuming and expensive. AI-powered video tools allow anyone to create stunning, professional explainer videos in minutes. Simply enter your script, choose a voiceover, add animations, and let AI do the rest. Start creating your AI-generated explainer videos today. Generating AI voiceovers, best AI voiceover tools. 11 Labs, hyper-realistic voices. Murph.ai, professional quality voiceovers. Well Said Labs, natural AI-generated speech. Speecholo, affordable voice synthesis. How to generate an AI voiceover. 1. Copy-paste your script into the AI voice tool. 2. Choose a voice style, male, female, professional, casual. 3. Adjust speed, pitch, and tone settings. 4. Generate and download the audio file. Creating AI-powered animations, top AI animation tools. Doodly whiteboard animations. Animaker, drag and drop video maker. Synthesia, AI-powered talking avatars. Editing and enhancing your AI video editing tools. Runway Mel, AI-assisted video editing. Capwing, online AI video editor. Descript, transcription-based editing. Pictory.ai, automated AI video generation. Editing tips for professional videos. Add subtitles for better accessibility. Use background music for engagement. Include motion graphics to maintain viewer attention. Keep videos short, ideally 60 to 90 seconds for best engagement. Conclusion: taking action and scaling your AI video strategy. Key takeaways: AI makes video creation faster, cheaper, and more accessible. A strong script is the foundation of an engaging explainer video. High-quality AI voiceovers add professionalism and credibility. AI animations simplify complex ideas and make content more engaging. Editing with AI tools enhances the final output. Now that you know how to create AI-generated explainer videos, it's time to take action. Start experimenting with AI tools and produce your first explainer video today. Whether you're a marketer, educator, or entrepreneur, AI video creation can transform your content strategy and boost engagement. Want to dive deeper into AI video creation? Subscribe to our newsletter for more tutorials, tips, and AI-powered strategies.